Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our first grammar class. Today we are going to learn about sentences, what they actually are and different types of sentences. So let's get started. Firstly, what exactly is a sentence? Sentence क्या है? Sentence is a group of words and it has three important points. First, it expresses a complete thought or idea. ये एक सोच और समझ प्रोड्यूस करता है. Second important point of a sentence is it must have a subject and a verb. It is necessary that subject or verb हो sentence में. Second important point of a sentence is that the meaning of any sentence may be different based on different expressions. Means to express our thought or idea, we have different expressions to express it. Now this expression may be of a statement, a question, a command or any exclamation. Based on different meaning or thoughts, sentences are mainly divided into four types: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Let's understand each of them. First, declarative sentence tell information about anything and they end with a full stop. आखिर में full stop लगाएंगे sentence में, declarative sentence में. Example: a dog is man's best friend. Here in this sentence, we are telling an information based on experiences that dog is always a best friend of man. It's a fact, it's a reality. Second example, the sandwich is very tasty. Here we are telling an information about the taste of sandwich. Third example, she is a beautiful girl. Here we are defining or informing the beauty of a girl. All of them end with full stop. Declarative sentence just states fact. Declarative sentence basically is a statement. ये एक statement है basically. Okay. Now look into second type of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence are used to ask question. They end with a sign of interrogation, that is question mark. We use who, what, when, how, why, etc. For example, who are you? Where is my book? How are you? So, whenever you are asking question, you use interrogative sentence. Okay, let's look into next type of sentence, that is exclamatory sentences. What are exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentences are used to express strong emotions or feelings. They end with exclamation mark. It can be described like that when you are surprised or when you are happy or when you are angry. You use exclamation mark to express your emotion. For example, that is a huge fish. Here in this sentence, we are expressing our emotion of surprise after seeing the size of fish. Second example, what a beautiful day. Here in this sentence, we are expressing our emotion of happiness after having a very nice day. Third example, he is such a nice boy. Here we are expressing our emotion of satisfaction after meeting a very nice boy. So you can conclude like this. Okay, so exclamatory sentence क्या है? Exclamatory sentence are used in case of strong emotions or feelings. Last type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence gives command, a request, a wish. It mostly ends with full stop and sometimes an exclamation mark. Command को हम कहेंगे हुक्म, order. Request means इल्तिजा. Wish means ख्वाहिश. मोस्टली ये फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं, लेकिन इन रेयर केसेस ये देखा गया है कि एक्सक्लेमेशन लगाते हैं, लेकिन इन रेयर केसेस. ओके, here in this type of sentence we have to assume, in imperative sentence the subject we have to assume as second person, that is you, but not spoken or written. Okay, you have to assume that the subject we are using in imperative sentence is second person, that is you. You can see from the example. Here are some examples. Put the key in the drawer, wait for me. These are some examples. You can see in this example we have not written second person, that is you, but we have to assume we have to assume that we are talking to second person, that is you. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for you. Hope you understood well.